In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to colorize a black and white photo in Affinity Photo. By the end, you'll know how to add realistic color while preserving the original lighting and texture, all using a non-destructive workflow that's easy to edit later. We'll begin by protecting your original image. In the Layers panel, right-click your photo and choose Duplicate. This creates a working copy, so any adjustments happen on the duplicate while your original stays pristine. Make sure you're editing only the duplicated layer from this point on. Next, decide which area you want to color first, such as skin, clothing, lips, or the background. Working one area at a time gives you the cleanest results and better control over the tones. Select the Selection Brush tool and paint over the area you plan to color. As you paint, switch between Add and Subtract to refine the edges and remove spillover. It helps to zoom in for tricky edges and adjust the brush size or hardness as you go. Short, deliberate strokes along edges usually produce a more accurate selection than broad swipes. Take your time here. A precise selection will make the color look natural later. With the area selected, add a mask layer by clicking the mask layer icon, the rectangle with a circle. This attaches a mask to your duplicated image and limits the next adjustments to just the selected region. If you notice anything leaking or missing after the mask is in place, you can always fine-tune the selection later by editing the mask. Now it's time to apply color. Click on the duplicated image layer, not the mask, to ensure you're targeting the layer content. Open Layer Effects by clicking the FX icon, then enable Color Overlay. Set the blend mode to color so you preserve the original luminance, highlights, and shadows. Start with an opacity somewhere between 20 and 60% and adjust gradually. Building up the effect avoids oversaturation and helps you match the mood of the photo. Choose your desired color and tweak the opacity until it blends naturally with the underlying texture. This approach keeps the lighting believable and the details intact. When that area looks right, repeat the same selection, mask, and color overlay process for the next part of the image. Because everything is masked and layered, you can revisit any area later to nudge the color, refine edges, or adjust opacity for a perfect match. That's all there is to it. Clean, controlled, and completely editable colorization in Affinity Photo.